धन निरंकार जी।
This is Mr. Chandu and this is his wife Mrs. Chandni. These are their children Sonu and Monu. Let's see what's happening in their home.
Sonu beta,
Yes, Papa.
put the eye drops in my eyes.
Okay, Papa.
Oh no.
गधे के बच्चे, what have you done? You just wasted my 10 rupees.
Sorry, Papa.
What sorry? Get lost from here.
Okay, Papa.
What okay? Didn't you hear what I said?
Yes, Papa.
What I said?
गधे के बच्चे.
Oh gee, why are you shouting on my kids?
अरे मोनू बेटा,
Yes, Mummy.
Give Charnamrit to your papa.
Okay, Mummy. Oh my God. Sorry, Papa. The Charnamrit bottle has fallen down.
Don't worry beta, it's okay. Mummy will clean it and clean it.
Okay, Papa. Sonu bhaiya, let's go and eat something.
Monu bhaiya, 1 minute, huh? Papa, is the value of Charnamrit very cheap?
No beta, no. Charnamrit is also very high value.
See Mahapurushon ji, on dropping I drop bottle, I got a slap. And on dropping Charnamrit bottle, Papa said, don't worry, Mama will clean it. You are getting it free na. Going to Sangat, filling the bottle and bring it home. Actually, we can't understand its value.
Sonu, how can you say this to your papa?
Mummy, Papa still calling me Gadhe ka bachcha? That too, after taking Brahma Gyan.
Your papa is telling right. After taking Brahma Gyan, a man realized himself what he was.
You're also talking like kids. Where is my tea? My uniform is still not ironed. I have to reach Bhavan by 7:30 sharp. No matter.
Hanji Mahapurshu ji, I'll just prepare the tea. You please get the kids ready. Why then I will also get ready. Then we all together will go to Bhavan.
Oh, even the children are not ready yet. So I reached at 7:30 better. Had you come within 5 minutes? Otherwise, okay. I will go.
गधे के बच्चे. Mr. Chandu speaks very sweetly. He has left his family at home and gone alone to the satsang. It seems Mr. Chandu has reached the satsang bhavan.
धनंकार जी संतो, alone again today? बहन जी has not come with you?
No, Mahapurusho. Her and her homework. Oh, I mean, she being busy in her household work and in getting kids ready. Had I waited for them, I could have not reached here by 7:30. But Santo, tell me, how do you and your family manage to reach Bhavan so early? I hope you gets up early in the morning.
Her and her homework. Looks like Mr. Chandu's English is a bit weak. Or maybe his devotion is. Oh, Sanchalak ji has arrived.
वाह जी वाह महापुरुषो, what a timing reaching Bhavan. You are so punctual.
Oh yes, Mahapurushan ji. I reach well in time every Sunday. Better you tally your watch with me.
शुक्र है महापुरुषो. Okay, today you please do seva in kitchen. Some utensils are there to wash. Then please cut vegetables and help other Mahapurush to prepare langar. Then again do utensils and do keep them in the right place.
Oh my god, too much work. How can I do this all alone? It seems it will take the whole day.
Dear Saint, you please go and clean Giant's toilet and then arrange to install Piao.
A lot of thanks to Sadhguru. Thanks that you blessed me with such a seva.
I have synced my watch with Chanduji's. Chanduji usually arrives at 7:30 sharp, but it seems he is not in the mood to do seva today. Just like me, although I don't arrive on time. However, one can also express gratitude when given the opportunity to do seva. The satsang has started. A young saint, Bhupender ji, is also present in the satsang. Please pay a little attention to him.
Mahatma Avinash ji is taking blessings, and then I would call Mahatma Bhupender ji to take blessing of Sangatma.
Oh no, Mahapurush announced my name.
Let me go out in the pretense of drinking water.
Mahatma Bhupender ji. Oh no! Where are you going? Didn't you listen to the announcement? Next is your name.
जी, okay जी.
Dear Saints, on June 22nd, there is an English medium zonal samagam in Mandi. Everyone is kindly requested to attend.
As soon as Bhupender ji's name was mentioned, he headed towards the Piao. Let's go to the zonal EMS Samagam happening in Mandi. The saints from Kullu have prepared a small skit for you.
Welcome all of you in the zonal English medium samagam here at Mandi. In this series, I would like to call saints from Kullu branch to present a skit.
Sweetheart, take this hot tea. You are not ready yet.
Wow, you even made tea? Just hold on. I was ironing your uniform. Now, after getting the children ready, I will also get ready.
No problem. I'll get the children ready. You get ready quickly and come. We will go together to Sangat.
Alright, I'll just come.
Papa, we are already ready.
Papa, I will sing bhajan in the satsang today. I have also made preparation.
Papa, with the blessing of the true master, Das has tried to write a poem that I would like to present before the Sangatma.
Well done, my children. Well done.
Tuhinankar, I was so wrong. I used to leave for satsang alone without helping my family members in household work. I used to say Charnamrit is of very high value, but practically valuing eye drops of 10 rupees much more than the precious Charnamrit. That too, even after taking God knowledge. And my speech? Gadhe ke bacche? Right from this moment, I will try to change myself. I used to ignore and avoid sitting in Sangat, so my name doesn't come up. And here, little kids preparing for Sangat on their own. I will try my best to change myself now.
So, you saw how beautiful the family was. A Nirankari family. Chanduji has decided to change himself